what's up guys, you're watching the Situ, and if you're new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is NP dash and the error is CE-107750-0, and error occurred while playing the game. So sometimes you're playing your game and your application is not updated and your system software is not updated. That's why you get this error. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen. You must check your application is up to date or not. If it needs to update, you must update your application. And secondly, go to the settings. Here we are at the network, and you must check your network is working or not. Sometime you're having a problem with the network, it's not working, and then you go to the system and check the system software is up to date or not. Sometime using older version, that's why it's not going to support the new applications or a game. So you must update your new system software also. And here we go to the storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage to launch the application, so it's need to save files for the storage. So you must need a storage for the save files. And here we go. In the last, you just turn off your PlayStation 5 and go to the save mode. There's a rebuild database. Simply rebuild the database. After rebuilding database, your corrupted file will be deleted. Your operating system with so that's how simply you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.